Most people who lose their crypto didn't get hacked, they made mistakes. In this video, I'll show you the 7 most common crypto mistakes that can cost you your entire investment and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, not controlling your keys. Leaving crypto on an exchange is like leaving your cash with a stranger. If the exchange freezes, hacks, or shuts down, your money's gone. How to fix? Move your funds to a self-custodial wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Mistake number 2, ignoring security. People skip security setups. No 2FA, weak passwords, and no backups. It's an open door for hackers. How to fix? Turn on 2-factor authentication, use unique passwords, and backup recovery phrases offline. Mistake number 3, storing seed phrases digitally. Screenshots, photos, and cloud backups are hacker gold. Once your seed is online, it's not private. How to fix? Write your seed phrase on paper or metal and store it securely offline. Mistake number 4, falling for phishing or fake support. Scammers pretend to be support agents, exchanges, or friends, asking for seed phrases or verification codes. Don't take the bait. How to fix? Only use verified sites, and remember, no legitimate support will ever ask for your recovery phrase. Mistake number 5, sending to the wrong address. One wrong letter in a crypto address and your funds are gone forever. How to fix? Always copy-paste addresses carefully and verify on the device screen. Ledger Live shows the correct one. Mistake number 6, ignoring fees and networks. Sending crypto on the wrong network like ERC20 versus BEP20 can cause permanent loss. How to fix? Double-check network type before transferring. Mistake number 7, forgetting taxes and tracking. Many investors lose crypto to government penalties, not scams. How to fix? Track all your trades using crypto tax apps and export your data regularly. INOL checklist. Self-custody your assets. Secure your seed phrase. Double-check network and address. Beware of fake support. Track your portfolio. Use official wallets only. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to NextGen Wealth for more simple crypto guides. Look, check the description for the official Ledger Store link to secure your assets safely. Subscribe to NextGen Wealth for easy guides on crypto, blockchain, and fintech. Disclaimer: for educational purposes only, not financial advice.